Good morning children. Now we are going to start 4th class mathematics. Okay. Already in previous class we have completed exercise 4.2 up to d beta. Now we are going to start exercise 4.2 e beta. Okay. Exercise 4.2. It is your textbook page number 103. Everyone open your textbooks and have to see. EBIT, what is the EBIT heading? Convert into kiloliters and liters. Okay, in this the first problem is 2800 liters. 2800 liters. For converting liters into kiloliters and liters, we have to do division with 1000. Why? Because 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters. When they are asking convert into kiloliters and liters, you have to take the formula which is in kiloliters and liters. Now we are taking 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters. You have to do the division. 2800 divided by 1000. Why we are doing division means to convert the lower units to higher units, you have to do the division only. Okay. And which number you are getting as a quotient, that becoming as a kiloliters, and which number you are getting as a remainder, that number becoming as a liters. Okay. Now do the division. 1000 to 2800. 1000 to 2000. 0 minus 0 0. 0 minus 0 0. 8 minus 0 8. 2 minus 2 0. In 1000 table we are not getting 800. Why? Because it is a 3-digit number and 1000 is a 4-digit number. So we have to stop doing division here only. Now what is the quotient? 2 and remainder 800. Already I told you when I am giving the formulas, quotient number becoming as a kiloliters. Kiloliters and remainder number becoming as a liters. Now you have to write down. Therefore, 2800 liters equal to 2 kiloliters and 800 liters. It is your first answer. Okay. Same like this, we have the second problem also, that is 4900 liters. Okay. Here also you have to use the formula which is in kiloliters and liters divided with that number. Okay. Solution here. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters. Okay. Now you have to divide 4900 with 1000. 4900 divided with 1000. Okay. Now you have to do the normal division. 4900. In 1000 table when we are getting 4000, 1000 fours are 4000. 1000 fours are 4000. 0 minus 0 0. 0 minus 0. 9 minus 0 9. 4 minus 4 0. What is the quotient here? 4 and remainder 900. Quotient number becoming as a kiloliters and remainder number becoming as a liters. Therefore, 4900 liters becoming as 4 kiloliters and 900 liters. It is our answer. Okay. Now same like this you have third, fourth, fifth. Okay. You are doing third, fourth, fifth. Shall I explain one more problem? Third. Shall I explain now? Yes. What is the third question? The given third question is 5670 liters. 5670 liters. Here, first of all, question writing over after you have to write down the formula which one we are taking, that is which is in our heading, kiloliters and liters. Take that one only. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters, and you have to do the division with the 1000. Okay. In 1000 table, when we are getting 5000, 1000 5s are 5000. Do the normal subtraction. 7 minus 0 7, 6 minus 0 6, 5 minus 5 0. Okay. Now what is our quotient here? Quotient is 5 and the remainder is 670. Just now only I told quotient becoming as a kiloliters and remainder becoming as a liters. Therefore, 5670 liters equal to 5 kiloliters and 670 liters. It is our answer. Okay. Now, same like this we have 4 and 5. You have to complete that two problems same like this only. Okay. Yes. Still anyone have any doubt in this? Take that page slowly. Yes. E bit over after we will go for the F bit. What is the F bit heading? Convert into grams and milligrams. Convert into grams and milligrams. It is our heading. In this, what is the first question? 3292 milligrams. 3292 milligrams. I am writing shortcut as mg. Okay. Just write down that. Yes, I think everyone knows that. Here you have to write down which is in the formula grams and milligrams. That is 1 gram equal to 1000 milligrams. 1 gram equal to how many milligrams, children? 1000 milligrams. Here you have to do the normal division with the 1000. 3292 divided by 1000. Place not sufficient means I am doing in the next step. You have to continue your classwork. Everyone complete this one in the classwork only. 3292. 1000 threes are 3000. 2 minus 0 2, 9 minus 0 9, 2 minus 0 2, 3 minus 3 0. So what is the quotient? 3. Remainder 292. Therefore quotient becoming as a grams. Okay. Quotient becoming as a grams and 292 becoming as a milligrams. Now you have to write down the given question. 3292 milligrams equal to 3 grams 292 milligrams. Okay. Second one, 3080 milligrams. Here also you have to divide with 1000. Why? Because we are converting grams into milligrams. So 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. 3080 divided by 1000. 1000 3s are 3000. 0 minus 0 0, 8 minus 0 8 0. What is the quotient here? Quotient is the 3, remainder is the 80. Quotient becoming as grams. Okay. And 80 becoming as milligrams. Therefore, given question write down 3080 milligrams equal to 3 grams and 80 milligrams. It is your answer. Same like this F bit you have third, fourth, fifth. Third, fourth you have to do, fifth one I will explain. Fastly note down that. Everyone take the screenshot. I am going to rub the board. I think everyone completed. Yes. I am going to total rub the board. Yes. F bit fifth problem. Here, what is the given question? See everyone. 98,742 milligrams. This much only now. Now you have to write down formula which is we are using. That is 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. 1 gram equal to 1000 milligrams. Now you have to do division. 98,742 divided with 1000. 98,742. 1009 Do the subtraction. 4 minus 0 4, 7 minus 0 7, 8 minus 0 8, 9 minus 9 0. Here 874 is there. We have 2 in the ones place. Again take arrow mark and take the number down. Now the number becoming as 8742. Again you have to divide with 1000. Why? Because it is also 4-digit number. It is also a 4-digit number. Easily we are getting the division. When it will come in 1000 table, 1000 8s are 8000. 1000 8s are 8000. 2 minus 0 2, 4 minus 0 4, 7 minus 0 7, 8 minus 8 0. Here we got 3-digit number. 1000 is a 4-digit number. Division is not possible. You have to stop doing the division. Therefore, what is the quotient here? 98 and the remainder 742. This quotient number becoming as a grams and the remainder becoming as a milligrams. Therefore, given quotient write down 98,742 milligrams equal to. You have to write down 98 grams 742 milligrams. It is your answer. Same like this, we have the GBIT convert into liters. What is the GBIT heading mark? Convert into liters and milliliters. In this, the first question is 1750 milliliters. Okay. 1750 milliliters. 1 liter is equal to how many milliliters? Yes, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. First write down the given question. 1750 milliliters. Here this milliliters you have to convert into liters and milliliters. You have to take the formula which is in liters and milliliters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Okay. Now you have to do division. 1750 divided by 1000. Do the normal division. 1000 ones are 1000. 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 0 5, 7 minus 0 7. What is the quotient number? 1. Remainder 750. Quotient becoming as a liter, 750 becoming as a milliliters. Now write down. Therefore, 1750 liters milliliters equal to 1 liter and 750 milliliters. Same like this, we have the second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, same like this only is there. I will explain one more problem, that is 8,890. 1 liter is equal to how many milliliters, children? 1000 milliliters. You have to do the division. 1890 divided by 1000. 1890. 1000 ones are 1000. 0 9 8. 890 is a 3-digit number. We are not getting in the 1000 table. So quotient number becoming as a liters and remainder number becoming as a milliliters. Therefore, 1890 milliliters equal to 1 liter and 890 milliliters. It is our answer. Same like this we have 3, 4, 5 problems. That 3 you have to complete. Okay? Fastly take the screenshot. I'll explain one more bit. That is addition of measurements. I think everyone completed fifth one. I am going to rub the fifth answer. Everyone take the screenshots. Now I am going to explain next exercise, addition of measurement, first bit. Okay? Exercise 4.3. Okay. In these ABTs, add the following is there. First one, they given kilometers and meters separately. First of all, note down the units, kilometers and meters. 654 and meters 752 meters. You also, when you are writing in your notebook, in the between kilometers and meters, compulsory leave the finger space gap. Okay. Next, the next number is 21 kilometers and 76 meters. First of all, do the normal addition. Okay, you have to start ones place to highest place value addition. 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 how much? 8. 8 write down the ones place only. When you are writing answers in your book, you have to write down straightly answers. Ones place answer here, tens place answer here, writing means and keeping wrong symbol. Okay. Next, ones place over means go for the tens place. 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 how much? 12. 12 means 2 right here. 1 right at the next place. Read with me. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 0, 8. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2, 7. 6 as it is 6 only. Why? Because here any number not there for adding purpose. Therefore, what is the answer? 675 is in kilometers place. 675 kilometers and 828 meters. Simple is it? Okay. Same like this. Second one, they given in kilograms. Whatever they are giving the headings, you don't see. Look at the heading. Just do the normal addition. Finally, you have to write down the answer. They given kilograms and grams separately. The second one is same like this one is there, ma'am. Okay. Second and third 2-digit numbers one is there. You have to do that one. I am going to explain the fourth one. Why? Because it is a 3-digit number is there. Fourth one, liters and milliliters. Liters means how many they given? 128 liters. Next, 184 milliliters. Okay. Next, 124 liters and 97 milliliters. 236 liters and 125 milliliters. Now you have to do the addition of these numbers. Okay. how many digits also they are giving. First we have to start addition with the ones place only. Add first 7 plus 4. 4 plus 7 how much? 11. Okay, 11 only na. 4 in the mind. Take 7 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. For this 11, again we have to add 5 also. 11 plus 5 how much? 16. 6 here, 1 here regrouping. Okay. Now go for the tens place addition. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 9, 9 plus 9, 18. Okay. 18 plus 2, 19, 20. 20 means 0 here. 2 next place regrouping. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 0, 3 only. Again 3 plus 1, 4. Like this you have to add separate. Next 8 plus 4, how much? 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 6. 12 in the mind, take 6 fingers. 12 after 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. The answer is 18. 8 right here and 1 right on the next place regrouping. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 here right now. Next 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Now you have to write down total answer. 488 liters and 406 milliliters. Okay. Same like this you have 5 and 6. You have to complete exercise 4.2 of G. E of G 3 bits and 4.3 A bit 1 only in your class work. What is your homework to the children? See? Complete in class work. Exercise 4.2 E F G bits and exercise 4.3 A bit only. What is your textbook page number? 103. Textbook page number 103 and 104. It is your homework. Okay. Already explained each and every bit 2, 2, 3, 3 problems. Remaining you have 2 and 3 problems only. Exercise 4.3. You have total 6 problems. I explained first and 4. You have to complete 2, 3 and 5, 6. In your class work only. Questions in your textbook and copy in your notebook. When you are copying the question, middle you have to give the finger space compulsory between kilometers and meters. After completion of answer, compulsory write down the therefore. Okay? You have to copy this one neatly. Take the screenshot. I am going to end the class. Again we will meet you in the next class. Everyone take the screenshots, children.